Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Ka Mizo Students Union General Headquarters Shillong. Haga kalai terik unailor arhajar arpuar kala Rakhe yaga freshers social kaba Southway hapo Convocation Hall jonga Northeastern Hill University kum shibentaban pediang buram yagi samla puli kibanang wan nengkong ban beteng yaga jing puli jongki hanong ba Shillong. Kani galong hadien ke jing jajar kaba arsnem genti na ke jing wan lunshop jonga klam COVID-19. Hagane gesngi upu Robert Rumawia Roite ubadai menteri jongga Sports and Youth Service Mizoram ulalong u Kongsan rengkat kejinge don lang jong u MLA jongga Lunglei u Dr. K Pachunga ubalong kum u Guest of Honor. Kini gi arngut gidei gi bala jupuli hanong ba Shillong. Hagane ke program la don lang kinongkit kam jongga Kasi Students Union ki bakentup ya u General Secretary uba Donald V Thaba u Ostarnik Marbanyang Organizing Secretary, u Raymond Karjana Education Secretary, Penshai Rani Publicity Secretary, u Banlum Rani President Jongga Kasi Students Union Nehu Unit, u Shibait Langstang General Secretary Jongga KSU Nehu Unit, kum Shibentaban Aiman Sim Lang yaga Mizo Students Union hagani gesngi. Rengkat bat kiwei gijing lek sngobha u kongsan ula pelai ru yaga magazine kabakerteng Nam Lung Thum Zofate Chaulna. Thule la lani ka kot ka bayadai bat ka jinglum thup yaki essay bat poetry.
Another stronghold of the MSU. Last but not the least, Dr. Grace is our senior patron, Kulal Sanjiman, TRC, Mizo House, Shillong.
In history, Synod College. London Moyer and Kay second rank in English, St. Mary's College. Silan Wanpui, St. Mary's College. Wanpui a topper in philosophy, Shillong College.
Oh, tikan kut laugan sa gila. Kanlo man pakat na ko ka.
Send different villages and towns of Northeast India. The confluence of a number of leaders of the different tribes of Northeast like this is very, very unique. And I am sure that this kind of mixture of various tribes, leaders and students from various parts of Northeast would certainly influence and impact the dream of our leaders, the dreams of our politicians, even my own dream to make Northeast as one unit, one entity, and to infuse the thought process that all Northeast tribals, all Northeast tribes feel as one, so that Northeast will be made more influential, more powerful. Let us make our difference, our respective identity and, you see, cultural and traditional practice. Make Northeast a more beautiful unit of India. The more the flowers in the garden, beauty of the garden will be more. So let us all join hands and feel ourselves as one, so that each and every type of Northeast will support each other. Our development, our advancement will supplement each other. And let us make Northeast shining together.
The Khasis and the Mizos, they have a very long history of brotherhood. Earlier, the Computer states that the Khasis and the Mizos, that this platform will be the beginning of the relationship between the Khasis and the Mizos. But I would like to tell everyone here that the brotherhood of the Khasis and the Mizos have been in existence since the birth of the country of India and the unity that has been etched between the different communities of the Northeast. Let me tell you, yesterday I've been chatting with a leader of the Mizo Zirlai Powell, a former leader actually. He is now the finance secretary of the Northeast Students Organization, and he is the advisor of the Mizo Zirlai Powell. I believe all of you know him. His name is Ricky Mauya Goni. So I told him that, brother, tomorrow I'm going to attend a festival, an event organized by the Mizo Students Union. So he told me, please convey my message to them. And this message to you, to the students, particularly the freshers, is that you come to Shillong to study, don't fail your parents, don't let down the community. Study, work hard, so that one day you will become the torchbearers of not only the Mizo society, but the entire Northeast region. That is his message to you. And as I've told you, that our relationship has been strong and has been going stronger and stronger every now and then. We always keep in touch. We have the same aspirations. We face the same problems. We have the same objectives. We are being treated in a stepmotherly attitude by the central government. We are being backward. We lack educational institutions. We lack health facilities. We lack sport facilities. We lack almost every aspect, unlike our counterparts in mainland India. So therefore, it is a high priority that we should work hand in hand so that we can become more stronger by our unity. The Khasi Students Union and the Mizo Zirlai Powell are component members of the Northeast Students Organization. We have been working together since a very long time. Ever since I joined the KAC in 2002, I've seen what happened. If there is a problem regarding the Mizos in Shillong, the Mizo Zirlai Powell will immediately come to Shillong to address the issues, and the organization that they would first approach is the Khasi Students Union. Similarly, when there is a problem regarding the Khasis in Mizoram, you will go to Aizawl, you will go to Mizoram. I've personally been there twice, and what did we do? We also went directly to the MZP headquarters and we discussed and we chalk out strategies so that we can retain that brotherhood that had been existing between the Khasis and the Mizos. And I should tell you also one thing. like I said earlier, that relationship is there since time immemorial. When the government of India bombed Aizawl in 1966, certain politicians from the Meghalaya government, like Professor G.G. Swell, Hoover Huyoka, they went by bullock cart from Shillong to Aizawl to get first-hand information in ground zero and to let the entire world knows that the government of India used airplanes to attack its own citizens in Aizawl, inland India, due to our Mongoloid features. Just a few days back, one Khasi youth from Shillong went to study into one northern state of India. Just because of his Mongoloid features, he's being harassed, he's being asked to do menial works like washing the floor, washing their clothes and everything. So such activities do happen, but that particular northern state, which I do not want to mention, turns a blind eye to their complaints. Now that makes us angry. In our state, in our different northeastern states, whenever people from mainland India came, we always treated them with respect. But that is not what they did to us. So therefore it is highly imperative that we should work hand in hand, we should be united forever and ever. Like what happened with regards to the Citizenship Amendment Act and the different policies that are anti-Northeast. We always work hand in hand. And if there is difference, there is friction between the different microscopic communities, the indigenous communities of Northeast, then we are allowing our enemies, we are allowing our nemesis to push us further into a corner. And yes, my message to the Mizo Students Union is that keep the wheel rolling to help the Mizo brothers and sisters. And the Khasi Students Union will always be your big brothers and sisters, and they will always be there to lend a helping hand to you every time, on any day that you need it. So this is my message, and to the freshers, like what...
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with a mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.